In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about methods and constructors in Java. So we're going to make a fruit picker application. So it will be passed through a constructor and a method will be triggered. So we are currently in the main Java file. So we need to actually make another file so we can make our fruit section. So you can go to src here, main. Then you go here, right click, new Java class, and we'll call the new Java class fruit. Okay, fruit here. So you can see here we've got the IDE has created the public class fruit, and we're going to initialize some variables here. So string name, string color of the fruit, int because it's a integer size. Okay, so we've done that. Now we need to go over here to our main and click, well, fruit banana, actually orange, equals new fruit, and then we pass through what the values that we want here. Now it comes across as an error here at the moment, but it won't in a minute. So orange, and what was the other variable we created? Color. So it's also orange. The size is, let's just say 10. Okay. Now that won't work yet because we haven't actually started creating the constructors. So to start the constructor, we just go public fruit, semicolon, not semicolon, the brackets, and we go to public fruit, string name. So we do just m name. So we've got to call it different variables. String m color, int m size. Now go here and then we go to m name equals color. No, color equals. M name equals color. No, not color. Sorry, name. M color equals color, and m size equals size. Okay. Now there's something called getters and setters, so we have to do that. Right click, generate, and a getter and setter. So shift there, select them all. Okay, now that will fetch the data that we've just created. So whatever we pass through here, instantiating a new object, it passes through here, and then later it's referred to here. So it returns the values and stores it in memory. And then in the main file, we can then go system.out.println, and then we can say the size of the orange is, plus there, and we say, we instantiated the orange object, so orange get, I want to get size, and that will print out the size because it gets it from here. Get size, return size, stored in memory. Okay, so run main. Let that pause and build. See, okay, the size of the orange is 0. 0. Did we call it correctly? Get size. Hold on, I'll just that works. Try that again. I think I might have done this the wrong way around. I want name equals. Yeah, I think I have actually. Name equals m name. Color equals m color. And size equals m. Let's see if that works. Sometimes can have a few problems the way you organize it. Yeah, so that works now. So we actually just make sure that you put what you initialize up here, the variables here, make sure they're on the left, and then there. So that's methods. So we've now got, you can basically get values that you pass through using methods and constructors. So I hope that makes sense.